Dear students, welcomes you all in your YouTube channel SS Science Academy. Today we have to see State Council of Educational Research and Training Maharashtra Preparatory Bridge Course Test 3rd of Class 7th of General Sciences based on Activity Sheet 1 to 27, which have 30 marks and it has a time of 1 hour. The first question is answer in one sentence. This is for 4 marks. The first is, which is the closest planet to the sun in our solar system? Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Which planet has life on it? You all know that Earth has life on it. The fourth question is, which planet is also called the red planet? Mars. Mars is called the red planet. Now we have to see second question. Now the second question is, give 2 examples of each, which also have 4 marks, which means each question has 2 marks. Firstly, flowering plants. You all know that mango, rose, hibiscus. There are lots of plants which have flower. Non-flowering plants, algae, ferns are the non-flowering plants. Now the question third is, fill in the blank with appropriate words. This is also for 4 marks. 4 fill in the blanks are given. The first is, there is attraction between opposite poles of magnet. The second is, the metal nickel is magnetic material. You all know that all metals are magnetic. The fourth is, metals like gold, silver can be drawn into a wire. This property of metal is called ductility. And the property in which metal sheets are produced are called malleability. And the fourth is, materials obtained from animals are called animal origin. And the materials obtained from plant are called plant origin. Now the question 4 is, which machine will you use to do the following work? It also has 4 marks. First is, to cut vegetables. To cut vegetables we use either knife or a cutter. Second is, for sewing clothes we need a needle. To cut wood an axe is needed. And to load a heavy drum onto the truck a slanting plank is used. Now the question 5th, identify the form of energy. Here we have to find out or identify the form of energy from the example given below. Write from the options given below. This is also has 4 marks. The first is, the glass pans of windows crack. This is occurs because of sound energy. Plants make their own food with the help of sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. And it occurs in presence of light energy. The third is, when the spring of a toy is wound and then released, the toy starts playing. This is because of potential energy, and we burn fuel to prepare our food. This is example of heat energy. Now the question 6, write whether the following objects are luminous or non-luminous. This is also for 4 marks. The first is a book. It is a non-luminous object. Sun is a luminous object. Pen is also a non-luminous object. And a burning candle is a luminous. Those objects which produce light are called luminous, and which does not produce light are called non-luminous. Now question 7, identify and write the names of animals from the picture of their skeleton. Here 2 skeletons are given. We have to identify names. This is for 2 marks. The first skeleton is of frog and second skeleton is of crane. Now the question 8, which incident do you see in the following picture? What measures will you take into the control? In this picture we can easily observe that there is a noise pollution. And how we can prevent the noise pollution? We prevent the noise pollution by not blowing horn of vehicles unnecessarily. The volume of TV or radio should be kept minimum by maintaining vehicles time to time. Factories, bus stands, railway stations, airports should not be located in residential area. And the last question of this test is, differentiate between uniform and non-uniform linear motion with proper example. Firstly, we have to see a uniform linear motion. When distance traveled by an object along a straight line in a unit time is same, the motion is called uniform linear motion, while when distance traveled by an object along a straight line in unit time is not same is called non-linear uniform motion. The example of uniform linear motion is marching of soldiers, and non-uniform linear motion is motion of a boy coming down on a slide. Here your test third is finished. To appreciate us, please subscribe our channel, share the link of the video. If you have any queries regarding the test or regarding the science, please ask in comment section. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, be safe.